Super juicy. Alang-alang sa inyo mga ka-umami. Umakyat po kami sa bundok. Hello ka-umami! Ngayon ay nandito po kami sa Kauko, Phetchabun, sa Kauko Mountain. Ayan, nakikita niyo po ang aming background. Napakaganda. At dito nga po matatagpuan ang napakaraming yakon. Ayan mga ka-umami. Napakaraming naku-curious kung ano nga ba daw ito at kung saan meron. So marami ding nag-comment na meron daw sa atin dyan sa Nueva Vizcaya at Baguio. Ayan, so tikman natin kung masarap ang yakon ngayon dahil hindi daw po season ngayon. At baka hindi ganon katamis o kasarap katulad ng kapag season talaga. Buksan natin. Ayan. So kapalan lang po natin ang pagbabalat para matanggal natin yung puti-puti dahil hindi po yun matamis. For you, Daddy.
Thank you.
At mabilisan lang po siya kailangan kagatin dahil nangingitim na po siya. But you need to wait for me. We will eat together. We need the cheers before eating. Okay, cheers! Ting! Super juicy. I think not so sweet like before. No? That's right. Dayo.
Iwan ko, no?
Ano sweeter? Baka depende sa shape. Depende sa shape. Because the seller tell me, the uwan-uwan and the san-san. Nagkawan ko.
ใช่ ก็เนี่ย
Sabi nung nagtinda, yung matataba daw at maliliit, matamis. Masarap ka, umami. Para pong singkamas na parang pears. And the flavor is kay gan ka sugar cane. Tama siya, hwan ka na. It's like pear.
ใช่ไหม
Smell. Parang sugar cane na matabang, ganon. At yung texture niya parang singkamas. Ang sarap. So what are the health benefits of eating this?
บอกมีต้านมะเร็งได้เนี่ย
Nakakagaling daw po ng cancer. Yung mga may cancer dito sa Thailand, gusto naghanap sila ng ganito.
บอกคนเป็นแคนเซอร์ถ้ากินนี้แทนน้ำเลยแคนเซอร์ก็จะหายเร็ว
Marami pa. Hindi lang, not only for cancer, no? At ilalagay ko, dahil hindi ako nakapag-review at nakapag-memorize, lalagay ko na lang po sa comment. Ayan ang araw, Daddy. Andan na ang araw. Kanina makulimlim. So, we are here in Phetchabun, Kauko. Ang nakikita nyo pong kulay puti na statue doon ay isang temple. Is that a temple?
ใช่พระธาตุไอ้เนี่ยวัดผาซ่อนแก้ว
Wat Pa Son Keo. Yung pong temple na puti na nakikita nyo. At ipapasilip ko sa inyo kung ano po yung temple na yon. Napakaganda. And I think this is our 5th time here.
Yes.
Na, pang-5 beses na po namin dito. At first time namin mag-rent ng dito, resort. Ang ganda po. Ang kapal ng balat, Daddy. Sayang. Tapos ginaya, no? Because the skin is dirt, no?
ใช่
Kasi po matabang yung skin.
เราต้องผ่าจนไอ้ขาวๆหมดอ่ะ
Dapat wala lahat
ให้
ng
มัน
puti.
สีเหลืองๆสีส้ม
Kaya pala natatabangan ako. Okay. Kahit may araw, maganda po yung weather, malamig. Pero hindi naman super ginaw. Abay, mak. So yun nga po, napakaraming nagko-comment. They have a lot this in Nueva Vizcaya and Baguio City in the Philippines. But I never had this in the Philippines before. I just knew here in Thailand. Kala ko nga walang ganito dyan sa atin dahil sa post ko, nalaman ko rin po na meron pala sa atin.
แบบก็ยังว่านเราไปเที่ยวสวนมาแล้ว
Yeah. Yesterday, we drive to the mountain. Napakataas at napakatarik. It's so scary. Parang mga bangin yung dinaanan namin just to see the farm of this crop. But unfortunately, we didn't see the crop because it's not yet
ซีซัน
time for harvest. Yeah. Wala pang ugat. Ipapakita ko po yung farm. I will show you the farm so you can see what type of plant is this, kung ano yung dahon niya para po maging familiar kayo. Nakakabusog. And it doesn't need dipping sauce, no?
ไม่ต้อง
Now, do you use this for making dish or salad?
ไม่
Wala. Ganito lang. Just eat like this. Ganito lang po nila kinakain. And I have a commenter before. She said that in China,
อือฮะ
they add in a soup.
ซุป
Yeah, they use soup, cooking soup
เนาะ
in China. In Hong Kong or Taiwan, I don't remember.
ก็ได้นะ
อืม
ว่านี่มันเป็นเมดิซินไง
อืม
เฮลตี้
Ang sarap. It's like you just drinking water. Puro tubig po siya. So we bought this for 40 baht per kilo. 60 pesos.
It on the season only 25 baht per kilo.
Yeah, mahal po ngayon dahil hindi nga po season. Ito po ay kinikip nila para magkaroon sila ng stock. At kapag season, it's like 20 baht to 25 baht lang ang per kilo at napakalalaki. And it's they have bigger sizes, no?
ใช่
Tumutulo. Tumutulo yung juice. Kailangan higupin mo siya. Like this. Pampakwan.
แต่มันกรอบนะ มันจะไม่เหมือนผักหวานนะ มันกรอบ
It's like watermelon but crunchy. Hindi siya soft. Ang galing.
The texture เหมือนมันแก้วอะใช่ไหม
Manแก้ว
มันแก้วแต่อันนี้จะมีน้ำมากกว่า
Manแก้ว is singkamas.
more juicy
More juicy and more crunchy. Mas mataba kasi yung mankel. So this is the video where we found the plant of yakon. Watch this po, yung pinuntahan namin sa mountain. Hello ka-umami, guess what kung nasaan po kami? Ayan. Nasa taas po kami ng bundok. Umakyat kami dahil gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung yakon. Yung farm ng yakon. At sana pwede nang harvestin para makita natin at matikman natin. Marami kasing, wait lang, papakita ko yung daanan sa inyo. Ayan, ka-umami, ayan po yung nilalakad namin. Marami po kasing na-amaze at natutuwa at nagko-curious sa buwahima, kung tawagin nila dito sa Thailand. O dapat pala doon ako sa baba. Ay hindi, dapat ito. Yung yakon, marami pong nagtatanong kung anong klase daw po itong root crops na ito. So tara, papakita ko po sa inyo. Alang-alang sa inyo mga ka-umami. Umakyat po kami sa bundok. Andito po kami sa Phetchabun, Thailand. Phetchabun, Thailand, dito sa Phutthaburg. Ayan, andito po kami for camping. At ayun nga, naisipan din namin ipakita ang yakon sa inyo dahil dito po namin nabili noon. At tamang-tama, may farmer, si Lola, na nakakita sa amin. At itinuro nga po niya sa amin kung saan sila nagtatanim ng yakon. Ay, mga sili, oh. Sili. Parang gusto ko mamitas ng pangtinola. Ayan. Ano yun ka? Oh, เหมือนต้น อันนี้เลยอ่ะ para pong puno ng sunflower ka, umami. Ayan siya, oh.
ถ้าต้นที่มันแก่แล้วมันจะเป็นยังไงครับ
ต้นแก่แล้วมันแตกดอก
มันจะมีดอก
มีดอกแล้วมันค่อยขูดได้กินแต่เดือนนี้มันยังไม่ได้มี
อ๋อ อันนี้ยังไม่ได้นะคะ อ๋อ
ปีใหม่พี่น้อง
ปีใหม่
เยอะๆนี่ก็ขูดได้แล้ว
Oh, so ganito po yung puno niya. Mga kaumak. Uy! Ni.
อันไม่ทานนี่เยอะๆนี่เขาไปพังนี่เนี่ยเขามาให้แม่ขูให้เขา
Ito po yung puno ng yakon. Mga kaumami.
เดี๋ยวได้แบบนั้นแหละ
Ayan.
แม่ขุดให้
Akala ko para siyang kamote. Ganito pala, parang sunflower tree, mga kaumami.เราต้องมาปีใหม่อะพ่อ So, ayan mga kaumami. Sad to say, hindi pa na pwedeng harvestin. Parang ugat pa lang daw po yung niya, wala pang laman. So, New Year daw po, magkakalaman. Babalik tayo sa New Year. Sayang naman. Pero i-update ko na lang kayo kapag meron kaming nabili. Baka merong mabibili doon sa mga bilihan sa taas kasi may mga palengke doon ng mga kanilang mga harvest. Ayan, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo doon kung ano yung yakon at kung paano kainin for the second time dahil nakita na ng iba. Ayun ang aking mga anak, tuwag-tuwa po sila sa aming pag-akyat sa bundok. So ito po yung yakon sa palengke mga kaumami. May mga ini-stack na pala sila para kapag ganitong hindi season, meron silang maibibenta. At eto nga, natsambahan natin yung isang pwesto dito sa kanilang tindahan ng kanilang mga produce. At 40 baht ang isang kilo. Ayan, medyo mahal ngayon dahil usually ay nabibili lang ito ng 20 to 25 baht. So yan lang mga kaumami, sana ay natuwa na naman kayo at nagustuhan ang aming video. Please share, baka ikaw naman ang susunod na mapadalhan ng GCash. Thank you for watching. Bye! Sa mga kababayan po na nandito sa Thailand, na if you are planning to visit Phetchabun, i-try nyo po dito sa Khao Ko at ilalagay ko rin yung name nitong aming villa, nitong resort sa comment below. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Yeah.